Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 32 divided by 4 divided by 4 and divided by 32. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. So 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. So I can write here 8, okay? And divided by 4 divided by 32 I can recopy. Today my pen is not good work, so please now 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, okay, divided by 32. So again I can write it as 2 divided by 32, okay student. So 2 times, or 2 ones are 2 and 2 16s are 32. So our final answer of this expression is 1/16. This is the final answer of this expression. So if you have any issue, then please comment. I will reply your comment. Thanks a lot.